Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Minecraft gamma issue. This issue usually happens when your game looks too dark, too bright, or your brightness settings or configuration file gets stuck or changed incorrectly. First, open Minecraft and then go to Options or Settings. And from here, just go ahead and go to Video Settings. And here you will see brightness. Make sure you turn the brightness all the way to up, just like so. If that does not fix that, check if you are using shaders or resource pack and reset or disable them because they can change your gamma settings. Now we will reset your Minecraft setting files. Go to your Minecraft folder on your PC. Just press Windows and R key on your keyboard to open the Run tab, and just go ahead and search for app data. And here, just go ahead and locate your Minecraft folder. And inside this folder, find a file named options.txt and delete it, as this will reset all the video settings. And as I'm using the demo version of Minecraft, I don't have that folder. But if you're using Minecraft, you'll be able to find it easily. And also, if you're using mods, disable them temporarily and test again, because mods can also affect brightness and gamma settings. The simple rule is broken settings or shader usually cause gamma issue, and resetting your setting fixes it in most cases. And that's it. We just learned how to fix Minecraft gamma issue by adjusting brightness, disabling cider, and resetting options.txt and checking mods. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.